Hi guys, as you can see, today's episode is shot in a very different location. We are basically in a hotel called Lift in the heart of the city. Unlike other regular hotels, this place is very uniquely decorated with very interesting interiors. If you are interested in knowing how this place looks like, do head on over to my vlogging channel. But today, we're going to be doing a ULANZI overhaul. I've bought different ULANZI products that's helped me in my photography journey by helping me to enhance the features of my setups. We're going to be starting with the least expensive up to the most expensive, so if you're interested, do hit the subscribe button as we go along. So let's start with the first one, which is this ULANZI GP4 action camera magnetic adapter. This accessory comes in two parts. Basically, it's two magnets which is being brought together by these two pieces. You can attach this part towards your tripod or other areas, while this one will be attached to your camera. There are different users which can use this for. One of them is I have this little neck accessory over here, which you can just place whatever cameras that you have, and it can be easily attached to here. It's just a simple twist and turn. For you to attach your different accessories along with this, you can use it for GoPro or smaller cameras. I have another accessory which is this back clip. I use a lot for my vlogging channel, as I just put onto my back and have the camera clip over here. And just put in twist and just a turn. So you will look something like this. I won't go into the deeper details, but if you're interested, I'll be linking down in the description below to show you the full review of this GP4 accessory. Next up is this OP13 charging dock for DJI Osmos Pocket. If you guys own Osmos Pocket, you will realize that the charging point is actually at the base, which makes it very troublesome if you want to go about using this while charging. So what happens is that at the bottom of this DJI Pocket, there's a charging dock here, and you can just attach it right at the bottom of this OP13. And you're able to use this while you're on the go, which makes it very convenient if you want to charge and use it at the same time. Above all, there's also this base plate, which you can just open it up to be able to use it for any action camera mount. If you have other GoPro accessories, this will definitely make it very convenient as you're able to use it on all the different accessories that the GoPro camera mounts provides. It only comes in at about $15, which is really cheap and will definitely help you in your filming process. Next up is this ULANZI U-Rig mirror vlogging screen. Now, this is not an electronic product and doesn't run on batteries, which is one of the good points. This basically helps you to be able to have a vlogging screen for all those cameras which does not have a flip-up screen. So here I have my A7 II, which does not have a flip-up screen. So what you want to do is you're able to attach this on the top and just flip the screen this way. And you see that the image is reflected over here, which definitely helps you to provide additional functionality without having to have another accessory which needs batteries. A really amazing product for just a very cheap price of about 19 USD. There's also a cold shoe mount right at the top over here, which you can put your microphones or other light accessories which you have, along with the sides, both on the left and on the right. An amazing non-electronic product which I'll definitely recommend for all those who are using full frame Sony cameras which does not have a vlogging screen. Next up is this MT16 mini tripod, which comes in at about 24 USD. This MT16 tripod features this selfie mode, which you are able to extend this and turn your camera towards you. Above all, it has this cold shoe mount over here, which you are able to attach lights or other audio accessories which you need. It has this screw mount function, which is far better than other mounting base plate, which you need to attach and remove, which can be a very big hassle if you are moving out and about. You can also open it up to be able to place on any flat surfaces. Comparing other brands that are out there, the pricing of this is definitely far better and worth your buck. Last but not least is this MT11 flexible tripod from ULANZI. It comes in about 22 USD, which is really cheap comparing with its closest competitor, which is the Joby Gorilla Pod. Now, one thing bad about the Joby Gorilla Pod is that it has different balls on its feet, and those balls on the feet can be detached, while this ULANZI flexible tripod is one whole piece and the whole thing is rubberized, meaning you can wrap around objects without having any slip on it. Above all, the head has this bubble leveler, as well as a hidden phone mount which you can just pull up this way, be able to mount your mobile phones on top of it. It has this cold shoe mount which you are able to attach your audio accessory. If you need additional accessories to be able to put on top of this, do not worry, there's actually a 1/4 inch screw mount right at the bottom over here. The head is also a screw design, meaning you can just turn it to be able to attach your different accessories and your cameras on top of it. Overall, for the price, it's definitely cheaper than Joby and provides better functionality in my opinion. Of course, Joby does have the 3K and the 5K version, which has a better threshold for bigger cameras, but this one definitely helped me to be able to have a medium-sized setup. It can hold up to about 3 kg, which is more than enough for the cameras that I carry. I hope you have enjoyed this quick overhaul of the 5 ULANZI products which I have. Do leave me down in the description below if there are other accessories which I should check out. The description and the thorough reviews and the links to them are all in the description as mentioned, so do check them out if you are interested in either of them. If you have enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit the bell notification over here so you'll be updated of my latest upload. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.